Bearish engulfing pattern. So what is a bearish engulfing pattern? So it's a bearish reversal pattern where sellers are momentarily in control. You just need to keep in mind sellers are not permanently in control. They are momentarily in control. The larger it is, the more significant. Let me show you in chart what is a bearish reversal pattern. So this is how a bearish reversal pattern looks like. As you can see on the screen, for a bearish reversal pattern to form, at first we need a bullish candle or a green candle dominated by buyers. So this is a bullish candle, this is opening price, this is a closing price, small bullish candle, and see after that there is a red big candle or a bearish candle, and as you can see, this red big candle has engulfed this green candle, so it is called bearish engulfing candle. This red candle dominated by sellers has engulfed the whole green candle which was dominated by the buyers. See, the length of the bearish candle engulfs the previous green candle. Bearish candle opens at or above the previous candle's close. It has opened at the closing of the previous candle, and bearish candle closes below the previous candle's close. And see, it has closed below the open of the previous candle. Ultimately, it has engulfed this whole green candle, so they are called as bearish engulfing candle. Let's see how does it look on chart. See, market is going up. There's a uptrend, and after that you can see there's a small green candle, and this small green candle has been engulfed by this big red candle. So it's a pure bearish engulfing pattern. This big red candle has shown the dominance of the sellers, and ultimately you can see there was a trend reversal because the dominance of the buyers came or went to the hands of the dominance of the sellers. Again, you see there was an uptrend. This is a bullish engulfing candle. This is bullish engulfing candle, and but this is a bearish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing pattern. This candle has engulfed this whole green candle, so it is a bearish engulfing pattern. These are bullish engulfing pattern where the green candle has engulfed the red candle. This shows bullish reversal signs, and this is a bearish reversal sign already. Again, see, this is a bearish engulfing pattern, and probably now you have got a fair idea how does it look like on chart. So this is how a bearish engulfing pattern looks like on chart. Right now I'm just giving you a fair idea. I'll be showing you with the strategies how to trade the candlestick patterns and how to trade like a pro. We'll be discussing or we'll be coming to that part later. Right now we are just at the initial stage. So just try to understand what are the candlestick patterns. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much.